In this video, we will see that how we can go ahead and cancel a transaction on TranZact. Let's go to our transactions module for that. In transaction module, these are all the list of transactions which you have created. So suppose if I wish to go ahead and cancel this PO transaction so that this particular transaction will not be displayed in my transactions module. What I need to do, I need to open this test PO transaction timeline. Once I will open this test PO transaction timeline, please have a look. I have created this PO. So first of all, I need to go ahead and cancel this PO. Open this PO. On your right hand side in the very top corner, you will get an option of other action. Click on this. Now here you will get an option of cancel. Click on the cancel option. Now, once this particular PO will get cancelled, please click on view transaction option. Now, on your right hand side, you will get an option of cancel transaction. Simply click on this cancel transaction. It will ask for the confirmation. Once you will click on cancel transaction, this particular transaction will get cancelled. Now, once this transaction will get cancelled, then after that particular transaction will not be displayed in your transaction module. Let's go to transaction module here. Now, this is our transaction module, and as you can see, that particular PO is not here. Once the transaction gets cancelled, it moves to the cancel part. So on your right hand side, in the very top corner, you will see a cancel option. Please click on cancel. Now, once you will click on cancel, you will see all the cancelled transactions. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day.